Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Durango in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is fully engaged for safety. Next, turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the necessary systems without actually firing up the engine, preparing it for the next step. With the ignition in the run position, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Now, move the gear selector lever to the N position. You should see the letter N displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming that the transmission is in neutral. Release the brake pedal only when you are ready to move the vehicle. If your vehicle's battery is dead, you'll need to use the emergency shift lock release. Locate the small tab or cover near the gear shifter. Gently pry it open and insert a small flat tool, like a screwdriver, into the slot. While pressing the release, you can then move the gear selector to the neutral position. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged when your Durango is in neutral, especially if you're on an incline. Never leave the vehicle unattended in neutral, as it can roll unexpectedly. For any specific questions or unique situations, always consult your Dodge Durango's owner's manual for the most accurate information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.